Few days back, my very old, decade-old D-Link IP camera stopped functioning. So when I checked the power output through the multimeter, I saw that it was not giving power. So what I did was just ripped open the adapter and removed the faulty circuit. I checked the cable connections and everything seemed to be fine. So I removed this and I took another spare 5 volt 1 ampere adapter which was lying at home. So I cut open the adapter of my faulty D-Link board. Then I similarly ripped open another one. So this is the faulty one. I just throw it aside. I ripped open another board and it was of the same side. Removed the USB port, desoldered it and soldered the original power cable, checking the polarity. Now everything works fine. So now if I connect the connector to the camera, it works fine. So if you are having a faulty USB power supply for any of your gadgets which is 5 volt 1 ampere, you can find a corresponding matching spare adapter lying at home, rip it open and fix it here. That's how simple it is. Give it a try and give a thumbs up if you have liked this video. Thank you.